Hello and welcome to episode 162 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you picking through a major scale with a fretted note as the root and going through scale tones an octave above. This is a great exercise for the right hand especially, but also for the left hand because you need to keep a finger on the root as you're going through the strings, and on the right hand you're going to be doing a lot of string skipping, including skipping from the first to the sixth string. So here's the basic scale. I'll do this very slowly at first. So starting with the root. That's it. So I'm just starting with, I'm on the A string, in the key of A, the A major scale, the 5th fret. I'm just going up a scale, one octave up. So first starting with the octave, and just slowly picking through each one. And it's a great exercise for your right hand because you're just really skipping a big distance. In your left hand, what you want to do is keep that A ringing out, don't stop it. And go up and down with it and just try to keep it very smooth. And I sometimes mute a little bit with my right hand, just to try to get it as clean as I can. Kind of like that. Or you can just leave it open for an even bigger challenge to try to get it clean without any extra string noise or hitting any other note. And down again. Oh, a great little challenge to do in your daily practice. So hope it's useful to you. Please let me know any questions or comments, and thanks for watching.